This is a 2007 BMW 328. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, a power moonroof, heated front seats, a 10-speaker audio system, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, xenon headlights, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Sheehy Ford of Springfield is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 6727 Loisdale Road in Springfield.